These are called Bagel Bites, Bagel Dogs. Now, I just got my new hat in the mail, so yeah, it's Black Rifle Coffee Company. It also helps the veterans. So, these are called Bagel Bites, Bagel Dogs. They're the same creators that create the Bagel Bites. As you can see right there. Got to catch up with it. It's weird how they created these. Never heard of them before. Hot. Oh, wow. Too hot. They taste kind of like the pigs and blanket you get at like Auntie Anne's or something. Weird. Never thought that Bagel Bites company would create bagel dogs. Pretty good. I'm gonna eat the rest of them for lunch, but pretty good. To say, I wasn't too sure if I was gonna like them because I'm not a really big fan of Bagel Bites, but those are actually pretty good. I actually would get those instead of Bagel Bites, but pretty soon I'll do a review of Bagel Bites. I actually have some in the freezer. Maybe soon I'll do a review of them, so peace out.